Hey everyone, my name is Brianna Wilson. I am the founder and occupational therapist behind Freedom and Function in Austin, Texas, where I work with adults and seniors recovering from a stroke in the comfort of their homes, helping them rediscover their independence and get back to living. So in this video, I wanted to show you how to use a button hook, which is great if you don't have very good fine motor skills in your unaffected hand and you need a little bit of help. So let's get started. Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use a button hook to button your shirt with one hand. And if you're curious on how we got to this point, I will link in the description box a video showing you how to put on a button-up shirt with one hand. And by the time you see this video, there may be another video showing you how to put on a button-up shirt using a dressing stick with one hand, which is really good if you're unaffected shoulder is not doing too well. Maybe you have frozen shoulder, maybe you just have pain, maybe you had a rotator cuff surgery, or maybe your rotator cuff is just kind of messed up, so it's really hard to reach up or get your arm behind your back. And so in that video, I demonstrate how to kind of work with that using a dressing stick. Okay, but this is a button hook, and so we have this loop end here. This will be for the button. And then you see this hook end, which is for something like a zipper, okay? So I'm going to be demonstrating using this loop end on how to button your shirt. And I will show you both sides just so you have an idea of kind of what the technique looks like. And so I'm going to get closer to the camera so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Again, this is the only button-up shirt that I have, so the contrast is not very good, but hopefully if I slow it down and zoom in, you'll be able to see the technique, okay? Okay, so here we are. So first things first is it's going to get a little bit messed up each time, but you want to make sure that your buttons and your slits are matched up first so that you know which slit is going with which button, if you can see that. I'm going to demonstrate using my left side first. So this is the same side as the slit, but I'll show you how to do it the opposite way. So what you want to do is you're going to take that loop in and you're going to push it through the slit, okay? You're going to catch the button. You're going to take the button hook and you're going to move it to the opposite direction. Then you're going to move it back. That's to get the button closer. Then you want to twist the button towards you, okay? You're going to then pull it down and back and unhook it. Then you want to straighten it up again. Then you're going to push it through the slit. You're going to catch the button. You're going to pull it back. Then you're going to turn it towards you and down and back. Now what I've actually found is that poor posture for this is actually better. One, because you can see better what you're doing, and two, it's just, I don't know, it just feels easier. So let me show you that. So here I am, I'm kind of leaning back in my chair now. So instead of sitting up tall, I'm leaning back. And this just allows me to see all the buttons better, especially for women. If your chest is kind of blocking the buttons, you find yourself having to bend your neck a lot more. So anyways, you're going to find your slit, go through it, catch the button. You're going to move it back, twist it towards you, down, and back again. So hopefully that makes sense to you. So now I'm just going to unbutton it and show you what that would look like coming from the opposite direction. Now this is a men's shirt, so you have the slits on the left and the button on the right. But if it was a women's shirt, it would be the opposite with the slits on this side and the buttons on this side. So depending on which side is affected or not will make the difference, okay? So I'm going to show you the approach coming from the right side if your slits are on the opposite side. So first things first, you want to make sure that the buttons and the slits are lined up so that you don't go through all this trouble and it's all misaligned. I will say coming from the opposite end is a little bit trickier than coming from the same side as the slit. but you're going to find the slit, you're going to catch the button, you're going to pull it, okay? You're going to still twist it towards you and down, and then move it back, okay? So hopefully you can still see this. Pushing it through the slit, catching the button, okay, moving it back, twisting it towards you and down and back. I'm going to lean back again because, like I said, it's easier for me, especially for these lower ones that I can't really see. So hopefully you'll still be able to see. I'll pull it up just a bit so you can see. Okay, so we're going to go through the slit. Okay, we're going to catch the button, pull it back, twist it towards us and down, and pull it back. So hopefully you guys saw that and it made sense. I'm going to leave a link in the description box where you can purchase a button hook. I purchased it from Amazon. That's usually the easiest option. So if you have any questions or concerns about anything, let me know in the comments below. And until next time, bye guys.